Oh, that's so beautiful. Let me see. Sorry, guys. It's a little bit, I'm so quiet because I'm so excited and it's like, oh my goodness. For all of you just tuning in, we are doing a mixed bags for color of the year. You should see it on our official website tonight. But you got to get the sneak peek first and see how beautiful it is. Okay, hold on. I get my dragon scale right there. There's so many in here. As usual, if you're with us from beginning, thank you for all of you for your love and support. If you with us from beginning, you see it's really cool, different mixed bags going on. And when you get the mixed bag, here's a cool tip and trick. Here's a really fun things and really good about every time you get your mixed bag, none of them are identical. But here's the one thing in there is always have the same elements, like a big main elements in there. Like say, if it color of the year, it should always have the colors like a blue and all the beautiful big piece. And then we're trying to get, like if you get, like for instance, if you get a mixed bag today and you order another ones, it's really cool because, and the next time you get, it's gonna be another one, but it's still main elements. So that give you excited of different design, and we try to add so many different new shape for you, so then you can enjoying it every time you get the new mixed bag. Like me, the same thing, going to get a toys for my kids, like a surprise toys. It's really excited. I think they are not exactly the same, but I can't see from far away, but I want to pull it off for a minute and get that. All right, one more. You can place them really close together, so closer, and it's also have an AB mix in here, and your main colors is blue and a different shape. I'm excited. I just got to see it today, so okay, we're just gonna do it. You seen that we already get it all designs out for you. That's why color of the years mixed bag come different cool thing, and also you can place some to go bead in there. Right here, another one right here, and then I will adjusting them. I will adjust them to make sure they are going perfect. They are tight together. Let me take it off from a